Meaning of funboard.
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 Funboard. Funboard is a type of surfboard typically used by beginners or intermediate-level surfers. Unlike other boards, it has a wider and more rounded nose, providing greater stability and easier wave catching. Funboards are usually shorter than traditional longboards, but still offer plenty of volume to assist with paddling and maneuvering. They are designed to be versatile and fun, allowing surfers to enjoy a wide variety of wave conditions. Overall, funboards are a great option for surfers looking to progress their skills or simply have a good time in the water.